guys, Video Arcade Films here, and today we're going to be making a really awesome meal today, and I'm going to show you what to do. We're going to put in some ingredients. Okay, first you're going to need a pot of water ready to boil, and we're going to put in our ingredients here. We're going to put in a tablespoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of curry powder, a dash of cayenne ground red pepper, some paprika, about a quarter cup of oregano, a little tiny bit of cinnamon, not too much, you don't want to ruin the flavor here, and then just a dash of salt, and then some fresh Italian seasoning as suited to your taste. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring this water up to a boil. Next step, as you're waiting for this to boil, you're going to want to give it a few stirs. As you can see, the water's at a boil, so what you're going to do is turn off the burner and take it off the heat here. And we're going to blow on it and give this thing a little tiny taste here. I'm so excited to get this to taste. Here we go. Okay, looks like our meal here is done. Oh, it's my new PC. Hey guys, welcome to the Video Arcade Films Work Center, and today we are going to build the rest of my PC. And I finally got the rest of the parts from Amazon. Here we go. We're going to go through them one by one. Right here we have the Corsair 750 watt CX750 power supply. This was recommended to me by Nick Has Arrived, who you saw in the last episode. Here is a NVMe SSD by Samsung. It's the 970 EVO model. Here is a USB drive of Windows 10 Home for the OS. And this is a personal choice for me, but what we have over here is a USB DVD writer because I still use those. So I have some cable ties right there, I have my screwdriver, have the Bago screws, so let's go ahead and assemble the rest of this PC. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to first put in the NVMe drive, and first of all we're going to take off this glass door on the case so we can access the computer itself. Alright, so in order to get to the actual NVMe drive, we actually have to first remove this this GPU right here. There we go. The GPU is out of the case. Let's put it over here for now. Okay, so as you can see, the NVMe drive is going to go on right around here, under where the GPU is. So let's go ahead and take out this drive right here. And after a little bit of trouble trying to find the right screwdriver, the M.2 drive is finally in. Okay, next we are going to put in our GPU again, very carefully on top of the area where the NVMe is. So let's line that up, snap that in gently, Alright, now that we have the GPU in and the NVMe in, alright, let's go ahead and put in the power supply. Hopefully I don't screw this up, but as Next Arrived always says, probably am. Okay, now that we have the power supply where we need it to be, for the most part, we're going to bring this inside and put in the hard drives, the sound card, which I'll mention which one it is later, and everything else. Well, we're back inside, and this is the computer case that I used for my last machine. And in here I have a 3 terabyte hard drive, and also the Sound Blaster Audigy RX sound card that I'm planning to put in this machine too for recording purposes. So let's go ahead and move the parts over. Oh, hey, I didn't see that. This is Future Video Arcade Films editing the video, as you can see. And this time lapse is a little bit longer than the other one, so I figured I'd give you the real reasoning why I'm replacing my PC in the first place. So, I guess one reason is it was getting old and I had it for, say, 5 years prior. But the main reason is my computer was Windows updating here in the college studio last year, and there was a power outage, so you know how that goes. So, it looks like I'm about to be done doing this time-lapse here, so it was nice seeing you all from the future. Now back to the time-lapse. Okay, so it looks like I have everything in, so it's time for the moment of truth. Hey guys, Video Arcade Films here. If you liked the video, make sure to dislike it. And if you hated it, make sure you unsubscribe. See you next video.